Good morning, everybody. It's the next day after Hurricane Grace. It's in the morning. We did get our power back last night, I think a little after sunset, actually, and we watched a nice James Bond movie and went to bed. And this morning, what we can see is there's a lot of palm fronds that got ripped off and torn. This is some of our construction material here, by the way, for the pool and the walls that are going on. And so we had some branches fall off, as you can, or about to fall off, that need to be basically trimmed. There's the pool, and of course our favorite tree, which we tied off because we were worried about it, has, you can see there, about two or three broken branches that are of course going to turn brown, so we're going to have those trimmed off. There's some coconuts, of course, that have fallen here and there, and it was pretty good. We did have an extremely low tide because of I shared in my last video, because of the hurricane low pressure and an actual low tide. It was really way out there. We were hearing 30 meters out, which is not typically that far out. So that last video showed that. That was kind of cool to walk out that right before sunset. And I'm just looking around, and everything looks pretty okay. We have a painter coming today to paint the master bedroom. Finally, I hate the colors in there, so we're gonna get that finally fixed. And of course, our pool construction people are coming, and our electrician slash plumber is coming to, I believe today, maybe tomorrow, to stick in the house water pressure system that we bought and is in our bodega in a box waiting to be installed. Our upper floor, third floor master bathroom shower is this huge rain shower. I love those, but because the water tank is on the roof, it in that bathroom, that shower, it just trickles out. Where the bathroom down here on the ground floor in the casita is fantastic. It has enough gravity to actually make it work well. So we're gonna stick it in. And also, they recommended that we have a water pressure system for the house because of the steam room, which is going to be going right here. This is an outdoor shower, which we're going to move down the wall a little bit and stick in a steam room here. That's one of the pool upgrades that we're doing right now. Hopefully we'll be done in less than 6 months. I don't really know. Haven't heard an estimate. They come every day except for Sunday to work on it, and so they've been doing really well, I think, on the progress of the pool. A couple things they've been doing lately is this is the seawall, and they need some plumbing from the pool to the pool house, which is going to be beyond the seawall. We had a few days ago, last week actually, someone a big deep hole for drainage, and so that's how they're working at. That's where the pool house is going to go. We want it to be quiet, and so we're sticking it over there because we're going to be hanging out over here for the most part. And so they're able to do that. This is all, custom work, and they're doing everything in concrete because it's an actually fantastic. As we saw in the hurricane coming through, the house didn't have any issues whatsoever. Really, we were just worried about our palm trees and being okay and not losing too many, branches. Really, the branches protect us from storms, and so we don't want to lose that. And once you lose a branch, another branch may not show up for quite a while to kind of replace it, and it looks a little lopsided. So we were trying to, make sure, not really much we could do, quite honestly, but we were just worried about our fellow palm trees. We like them so much. Well, that's it for this episode, this quick no edit episode. If you're interested in more of this, please subscribe. to the channel, showing the progress of our renovation here in Yucatan, Mexico. Please leave a comment if you got any questions or positive comments that you want to share. I'm always replying to those. I really appreciate those. And of course, like the video if you like this. So, all right, see you guys next time. Bye.